How to cure itching from diabetes? Diabetics frequently experience horrible itching. It is a common side effect of elevated blood glucose levels. Keep skin away from getting dry. Keep your skin moist and healthy by using moisturizers and skin creams. Moisturize twice a day. You should also avoid using scented soaps because the chemicals in it can cause skin to get dry and irritated. Use mild unscented soaps instead. Take care for skin in the summer. To lessen itching in the summer, wear clothes made from light materials like cotton, chiffon, or linen. Certain cloths like wool and silk can cause irritation and itching. Keep the skin dry from sweat as too much humidity can cause itching sometimes. Drink plenty of water to keep skin hydrated. Drink 8 glasses of water per day. Take care for skin in the winter. Skin easily gets dry in winter, which is very important for diabetics to keep skin well moisturized and hydrated. Moisturize your skin twice a day using unscented lotion. Reduce your stress. Itching can be caused by feeling stress. This means that when you are in stressful situations, your itching increases. To combat feeling stressed, practice relaxation. Practicing meditation. Meditation is letting your mind become empty and releasing stress that you hold inside you. Meditate a few minutes each morning to stay relaxed throughout the day. Here are some home remedies to stop itching. Oatmeal mixture for relief. Mix 1/4 cup water with 1 cup of oatmeal and mix it into a thick paste. Apply this mixture to the affected area. Keep the mixture on that section of your body for 15 minutes. The oatmeal will soothe the itching and provide you relief. Baking soda mixture for relief to itching sensation. Take 5 tablespoons of baking soda, add 1/4 cup of water. Stir with a spoon until the paste is thoroughly mixed and smooth. Apply the mixture to the affected area and keep it there for 15 minutes, then wash it off. Use antifungal creams to prevent yeast infections. If you are diabetic, then you know that your immune system is lowered and you to get infections more easily. One type of infection is a fungal infection that can grow on your skin and cause an itching feeling. Take an antihistamine pill. Histamine is the hormone that causes the itching sensation that you feel. When you take an antihistamine, this hormone is suppressed, which in turn soothes your skin. Talk to your doctor about the other options. If the above remedies do not provide you with relief or you suspect a serious etiology associated with your itch, you should contact your doctor.